Today we will be doing an unboxing of the HP Elitebook G6 laptop. We'll see the unboxing, its features and how it looks like. So on the top we have a HP bag. There's a HP bag. It's very spacious. And then we have the laptop. The HP 745 G6 Elitebook has aluminium body and it's lightweight and weighs only 1.48 kg. There is no flex at all in this display panel and you get sturdy hinges. On the top we have the HP logo which has the chrome finish on it. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, I find this laptop pretty good. Unlike the previous version in the series, the Elitebook feels premium. In terms of ports and features, on the right side of this laptop, we have the charging port, Type-C port, a docking connector, Ethernet port, HDMI port, USB 3.1, combo headphone jack, and finally the SIM card slot for LTE connection. On the left we have the lock port, air vent, USB 3.1 port and the smart card reader. At the back of the unit we have the stylish Elitebook logo, and here at the front we have the 3 LED status slides for power, network and hard drive. Looking at the bottom we have raised rubber feet and the grill for ventilation. In the Elitebook 745G6, we get the HP Premium Collaboration Keyboard, which is spill resistant and it's also backlit. The keyboard is really good and very comfortable to use and looks nice and premium. Above the keyboard you have the power button, and then we have the Bang & Olufsen dual stereo speakers. The sound from the speakers felt great. I haven't felt this in any other laptop. At the bottom of the keyboard we have the fingerprint scanner, which adds security and convenience. Now about the touchpad on this laptop, it's of decent size and you have two physical buttons on the touchpad. The touchpad feels smooth and gives you the satisfying feel when you use it. Overall, I find the touchpad and its keyboard quality pretty good, and it does feel premium and elite. Coming to the hardware configuration of this unit, the one we have here is the AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 3500U, and it's coupled with Radeon Vega mobile graphics. The CPU has a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz, which can be boosted up to 3.7 GHz. It's a quad-core processor with 8 threads. Apart from that, you have different processor models like Ryzen 7 Pro 3700U. Coming to the RAM, we have 16GB DDR4 RAM, which is upgradable up to 32GB, and in terms of hard disk we have 500GB solid state drive, and it's available up to 1TB solid state drive. The display of this laptop is 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare screen, and the refresh rate is 60Hz. But there are different screen options available, such as higher nits display from 400, 700 and 1000 nits option. The side bezels are thin. On the bottom we have the HP logo, and on the top we have the HP camera. Overall, in terms of screen quality, the viewing angles are good and the brightness is 250 nits. Coming to the performance of this laptop, Elitebooks are known for its enterprise level security. The security stack includes three categories, which is device identity and data security. The laptop comes with a TPM 2.0 embedded security chip, and also HP has introduced other security features such as HP Sure Start, which is specifically for AMD processors, and it helps you secure your PC the moment you start your PC from BIOS to browser. Apart from that, you have the HP Sure View, a privacy feature which reduces the visual light, making it difficult to see from the side. HP Sure Sense uses deep AI learning to provide you with the exceptional protection from malware. And then we have the HP SureClick, which protects your PC from web-based attacks, unintentional website visits where the ransomware or malware may be hidden. Apart from these amazing security features, the laptop offers wide range of connectivity options. So as mentioned earlier, you have the LTE support in this, and you also get a dedicated button for calling in the keyboard. For office use, you can also connect this laptop with the docking station using the docking port or the Thunderbolt port on this laptop. The HP camera on this laptop is very good for calling. I must tell you that the mic clarity is pretty good. The three multi-array mics on this laptop offers noise cancellation, which is really good for video calls and voice calls. In terms of the wireless connectivity, you get the Wi-Fi 6 support in this, which offers 3 times faster than FTP. In terms of battery performance, the 3-cell 50 watt battery in this laptop is good, and you can easily get up to 10 hours of usage time. The laptop also comes with 65-watt adapter, which means you get the fast charging support. In just 30 minutes you get 50% of battery life. Overall, the HP Elitebook 745G6 is a premium laptop which is well built, and the design is really good. The laptop is thin and is also lightweight. I've been using this laptop for a few days for daily office work, and this type of processor in this laptop performs exceptionally well. Also, the RAM and hardware is upgradable up to 32 GB and 1 TB respectively. The performance is good, and with the HP security features for this laptop, it's perfect for professional and office users. The display quality is good, and also the performance of the battery is also very good. To sum it up, if you are looking for a premium notebook for your day-to-day work, and also you want a laptop which looks and feels elite and premium, then check out the HP Elitebook 745 G6 series laptops. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Hit on subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. See you in another video.